Ahoy there, fellow gastronomical pirates. It's your favorite breakfast buccaneers, Charlie and Samantha, back at it again with another installment of Couples Turdyssey. This time, we're taking you to review a place so unique it'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about dining establishments and, well, plumbing. Introducing the Pancake House in Osage Beach, Missouri. Yes, friends, the cat's out of the bag. We reside in the culinary wonderland that is Missouri. Brace yourselves. The reviews are coming, and they're as subtle as a sledgehammer at a tea party. Nestled in the architectural marvel that once buzzed with Sonic drive-in patrons, the Pancake House dares to ask the question, who needs functional dining space when you can have nostalgia? Picture this, a dining experience where you're so close to other diners, you'll leave knowing their life stories, whether you want to or not. It's like speed dating, but with pancakes and a higher risk of syrup theft. But let's dive into the liquid gold of the story. The water. Oh, the water. If you fancy a chemical cocktail with your breakfast, you're in for a treat. The Pancake House's water supply has seen more treatments than a Hollywood starlet pre-red carpet. Drinking this water is akin to playing hydration roulette, but fear not. For the adventurous, there's always coffee. It's like choosing between swimming in the ocean or a pool, both wet, but one is significantly less likely to make you glow in the dark. Service here deserves a standing ovation. The staff at the Pancake House are so efficient and friendly, you'll start to wonder if they're part of a secret society dedicated to the art of the quick turnover. They keep your glasses full, brave the water at your own peril, your table spotless, and they even offer a parting-to-go drink, because nothing says, "We care," like a beverage for the road after you've just questioned your life choices over breakfast. Now the pièce de résistance. The pancakes. There's a bustling vibe here most days, and spoiler alert, it's not because of the chic decor or the chemical-infused water. The pancakes are the main event, the reason this former Sonic drive-in has become a beacon for breakfast seekers far and wide. It's a culinary phoenix rising from the ashes of fast food past. Now, on to the main event, the food. I, in a moment of unbridled optimism, went for the cowboy omelet with hash browns and white gravy. And here's the kicker. They toss in an option for toast or a pancake at no extra charge for the pancake. Yes, you heard that right. In a world where you're nickel and dimed for breathing too heavily, the Pancake House dares to say, "Have that pancake on us, cowboy." The cowboy omelet, a veritable meat fortress of bacon, ham, sausage, all corralled by shredded cheese into a 3-egg omelet and crowned with homemade gravy, comes in at $11.69. But Charlie, how does it taste? You eagerly inquire, perched on the edge of your seat. Let me tell you, it's nothing short of a breakfast revelation. The hash browns? A crispy golden dream, customizable from lightly kissed by the grill to, I want to remember this crunch forever. Nice touch, Pancake House. The omelet? It's like a hug from a kindly grandmother who knows just a tad more about seasoning than we feared. Could use a bit more salt, but hey, they're playing to the masses here, and salt shakers exist for a reason. The texture? Imagine the clouds parting and the first ray of sunshine hitting your face on a spring morning. Yes, that good. Now for Samantha's culinary journey. She opted for the one pancake and hash browns combo. My pancake, which I bravely chose instead of toast, because who makes these decisions lightly, was an adventure in itself. But before we get into that, let's talk about her hash browns, just as splendid as mine, tailored to her exacting standards. But the pancake, oh, the pancake. Beware, dear readers, for this pancake does not conform to the boundaries of a mere plate. It's huge, a behemoth of breakfast treats, daring you to question its dominion. This pancake doesn't just live up to the Pancake House name, it sets the bar. It's like they took the concept of go big or go home and applied it directly to their batter. Samantha, ever the discerning diner, was over the moon. Satisfaction? Check. Deliciousness? Double check. We've ventured to this breakfast haven more times than I care to admit, and disappointment has yet to darken our table. Each visit is a reaffirmation. Just don't drink the water. So, there you have it. Another culinary odyssey in the books for couples turdyssey. The Pancake House, with its ode to breakfast grandeur and a pancake that defies physics, remains a beacon of morning delight in Osage Beach. Remember, folks, life's too short for small pancakes in chemically treated water. Now let's get down to brass tacks, the rating. In the grand tradition of couples turdyssey, where we journey through the good, the bad, and the flavorless, the Pancake House stands tall. It's with a full heart and an even fuller stomach that I bestow upon this breakfast bastion a solid 4 turdysseys. However, no adventure is without its perils, and the Pancake House, for all its culinary triumphs, has its Achilles heel, the water. If not for the chemical symphony that is their municipal water supply, who knows? This could have been a rare 5 turdysseys experience. In conclusion, the Pancake House in Osage Beach is a breakfast haven worth visiting, with or without functional taste buds for water. Just remember, bring your appetite, leave your water standards at the door, and get ready for a breakfast experience that's as memorable as it is expansive. I know, in the grand tapestry of culinary critique, having 2 breakfast reviews back-to-back is in slightly bad taste, pun absolutely intended. But when the universe serves you a pancake that could double as a personal blanket, you don't just walk away without sharing that gospel. The Pancake House, with its defiance of conventional breakfast norms and chemical-laden water, was simply too good a tale to keep under wraps. Now, shifting gears from our breakfast bonanzas, let's talk about what's on the horizon for Samantha and me. As much as we adore our Missouri eats, our adventurous spirits and stomachs are gearing up for something a bit stronger than coffee. That's right, folks. We're talking bourbon. This year, we're hitting the road to indulge in 2 of the most anticipated events in the bourbon world. First up, we've got the St. Louis Bourbon Festival in June, a paradise for enthusiasts of the amber nectar. Picture this, an event where the air is as rich with the scent of oak and vanilla as the conversations are with history and tasting notes. Then, as if one festival wasn't enough to quench our thirst for spirited adventures, we'll be heading to Kentucky in September for their renowned Bourbon Festival. Kentucky, the heartland of bourbon, where each sip tells a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and a little bit of magic. It's here that we hope to deepen our understanding of this beloved spirit, from its complex flavors to its storied past. So while our breakfast escapades may have started our year on a deliciously high note, it's the call of the bourbon that beckons us forward. Through these festivals, Samantha and I aim to bring you along on a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is intoxicating. We'll explore the art of bourbon making, dive into its rich American heritage, and of course, sample our way through some of the finest spirits known to humankind. In the meantime, keep your forks ready and your palates primed, because Couples Turdyssey is just getting started. Samantha wanted me to add, if you have an event or place you would like reviewed, let us know in the comments, and we will see what we can do. We may just make an appearance. From the cozy confines of Missouri's breakfast spots to the spirited halls of bourbon festivals, we're on a quest to savor the flavors that make life a delicious adventure. Signing off with a promise of more tales, tastes, and travels, this is Charlie and Samantha, reminding you that the best stories often start with a simple meal or a sip of bourbon. Stay curious, stay hungry, and as always, stay tuned.